A good day, everybody. Today we got this WINSTORM 2007. It's a nice car. Looks nice from the outside and from the inside. Let's review this car, see if it's in a good condition or not. Let's take a look at it at first from the outside. It's good. There's some rust here on the back door. It's a beautiful car and a strong car. Let's check the doors as well. There's the back one. This door looks good. No rust. To the other side. There's some rust at the edge here, if you can see it. Same here as well. The trunk. Let's check the engine as well. Here we go. The engine sounds fine. Nothing's coming out. Very clear, very clean. Everything else is good. All is good. Engine looks good to me. Alright everybody, here we go. So we're inside the car right now. Alright, let's check it out. We're on. All lights are on. Switch on the engine. Lights are off. Everything looks fine. Try to accelerate a little bit. Try harder. Engine RPMs looks good. The sound of the engine also sounds good. Okay, let's see here. I think this one is not working, or maybe it's not connected. Not sure. This one is also not connected, it's not working. Let's try the AC. Okay, AC is blowing. Okay. Cold air is coming. Very cold. So the AC works very well. But the audio, the radio and the screen, I think either they're broken or they're not connected. It's an automatic gear, of course. See the key panel here for windows. Check this window out. This one is working perfectly, no problems at all. Other side, same thing here. Back side as well. both sides. How it looks from the back. Interior is good. We got this one here. Alright, one more time for the engine. Perfect.
Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
So this is the end of the review of this WINSTORM car 2007. As you've seen, everything looks fine, the engine is fine, there's no problems, it sounds good and feels good, everything else is fine. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us at busyman.kr. Thanks for watching, please have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.